Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Circle to Search feature on your Samsung device. This innovative tool allows you to effortlessly find information about anything on your screen. Simply use a gesture to highlight an item, and you will receive instant search results. It is designed to save you time and keep you in your current application, making your mobile experience much more efficient and intuitive. We will cover everything you need to know. To begin using this powerful feature, first navigate to your device's settings. From there, locate and tap on Display, then proceed to the navigation bar section. You will find an option for Circle to Search. Make sure this toggle is switched to the on position. This simple setup ensures the feature is ready whenever you need it, providing seamless integration into your daily phone usage. Once enabled, using Circle to Search is incredibly straightforward. When you see something interesting, simply long press your home button or the navigation handle. A colorful animation will appear, indicating the feature is active. Then, use your finger or an S Pen to circle, tap, or scribble over the object or text you wish to search. Your results will instantly appear at the bottom of your screen, ready for exploration. Beyond basic searching, Circle to Search offers several advanced functionalities. You can refine your initial search by typing additional queries into the search bar. For language barriers, simply tap the Translate icon to get instant translations of on-screen text. Furthermore, if you hear a song you like, tap the musical note icon to identify it without switching applications. These features enhance your ability to interact with content on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.